Still guessing which products to sell on Amazon? Stop. Amazon literally tells you what customers want but can't find. Let me show you. Here's the deal. Every Amazon seller faces the same three problems. First, competition is brutal. Everyone's selling the same stuff, fighting over pennies. Second, you're drowning in data but have no clarity. Hours of research, still no direction. And third, you're flying blind. You have no idea what customers actually want in different markets. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's what the smart sellers figured out. There are two paths to winning in 2025. High-quality product selection, finding what customers actually need, and global expansion, tapping markets your competitors ignore. The winners? They do both. And Amazon gives you the tools to do exactly that. Now here's the golden formula. Pay attention because this changes everything. High search volume plus low conversion rate equals opportunity. Think about it. High search volume means people want this product. They're actively looking for it. But low conversion, that means the current products on Amazon aren't cutting it. People search, they click, but they don't buy. Why? Because what's available sucks. That gap right there, that's your opportunity. That's where you come in with a better product and crush it. So how do you find these gaps? Amazon built a tool for this. It's called Product Opportunity Explorer, and honestly, most sellers completely ignore it. Big mistake. This thing shows you real demand data, not guesswork. It tells you what features customers actually want. It even gives you AI-powered insights on keywords, pricing strategy, and inventory planning. Where do you find it? Seller Central, click Growth, then Product Opportunity Explorer. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, so when you open Product Opportunity Explorer, you'll see this Unmet Demand tab. This is where the magic happens. At the top, you've got your category's highest opportunity niches, products in your space where customers can't find what they want. Below that, you'll see the full breakdown. Every niche listed with search volume, conversion rates, and product counts. Pro tip, sort by conversion rate, lowest first. The niches with highest searches and lowest conversion, that's your target list. Those are products where demand is high, but current options are failing customers. Let's look at a real example. Kids beach chairs. Check out these numbers. Over $1 million in annualized opportunity. 5,000 keywords people are searching. 12 million searches total. But here's the kicker. Only 12.9% conversion rate. That's low. That means 87% of people searching aren't finding what they want. Now look at the AI insights. It tells you why current products are failing. Quality issues, confusing pricing, bad descriptions. It even shows you additional use cases, camping trips, sporting events, backyard parties. This is like having a product research team working for you 24/7. But it gets better. The AI actually creates a product design proposal for you. For that kid's beach chair, it breaks down must-have features, child-appropriate sizing, lightweight construction, one-step folding, delight features that set you apart, storage pouches, adjustable recline, and premium features for your higher-priced variant, sun canopy with UV protection, insulated cooler pouch. It even gives you manufacturing considerations, supply chain recommendations, and pricing strategy. This used to take weeks of research. Now it's done in minutes. All right, here's your homework. Log into Seller Central today. Go to Growth Product Opportunity Explorer. Start with your category's Unmet Demand tab. Look for high search, low conversion niches. That's where your next winning product is hiding. If this was helpful, smash that subscribe button. I drop new Amazon strategies every week. See you in the next one.